Get vertical on a big screen to enjoy TikTok videos and other short-form content like never before. Are you ready? Rotating your TV is easy with Samsung's auto-rotating wall-mounted stand. Let's get started. First, screw the bracket into the VESA holes on the back of your TV. Next, attach your auto-rotating accessory to the bracket. Finally, attach your TV to the wall mounter stand. If you have the wall mount, fix the wall mount bracket to the wall. Then, hang your auto-rotating accessory attached TV right on it. If you have the stand, attach the stand connection bracket to the auto-rotating accessory on your TV. Then, hang the entire assembly on the stand and screw it in. Oh, and don't forget to leave room for your TV to rotate both horizontally and vertically. Now, all we need to do is sync your TV and auto-rotating accessory together. On the remote, long press the settings and multi-view buttons for 3 seconds to connect. Now you're ready to rotate. After you're connected, long press multi-view to rotate your TV. Press and hold multi-view again to rotate it back horizontally. If you want, you can control your auto-rotating accessory with a mobile device too. With your Galaxy and TV synced up, just rotate your phone to rotate the TV. No need to reach for the remote. You can also rotate manually by enabling Smart View and tapping the rotate button on your phone. And on iOS, you can use full screen portrait mode with AirPlay too. Now you can mirror video from your mobile device to enjoy vertically on your TV. And did you know there are even more ways to enjoy your screen vertically? Watch multiple types of content at the same time with multi-view. Let's find out how to use multi-view with auto-rotating accessories. These days, lots of people like searching online while watching videos, right? Well, now it's easier than ever with vertical multi-view. When you rotate your TV vertically, you can check related info or even go online while viewing content. You can even do a search while you're watching. Convenient, don't you think? And it's not just for search. These days, lots of people enjoy artwork on their TVs too. Like people who use ambient mode on Neo QLED and art mode on the frame. All you need to do is rotate to enjoy vertical images and photos displayed full screen, like true works of art with art mode. Auto-rotating accessories let you enjoy all your content just the way you want, both horizontally and vertically. Just rotate it and play with auto-rotating wall-mounted stand.